Okay, here's the main cannon round. 5¼ inches tall, 2½ 2 inches round. Breech is open, camera's on. Lights, camera, action. I got the air hooked up just to the shop compressor because I'm not running the engine because it's fucking 2:30 in the morning. So the shell fits inside the barrel. Fins fit nice. End cap on. Give it a twist or two. Crack the valve. Got an air leak to fix. Gonna hold on to this cap because I don't have the safety installed yet. Hopefully my phone will stay upright so you guys can see the fuck is going on here. Okay, fire in 3, 2, 1. Jesus Christ! Cannon works! That was 125 PSI, by the way. Yeah, that was fucking terrifying as balls. Holy fuck. Let me crawl out of here and I will show you what happened to a 3/4 inch piece of plywood. That is probably about 2 feet away. Here's a part of it, all smashed. This one is just glued together. They will be actually super glued or filled full of chalk powder. That's what it did to a piece of 3/4 inch plywood.